My name is Siddharth Chauhan and I'm an IT professional. I work in IBM. I currently drive the red Octavia. You can see it in the background that I bought late last year. I actually heard about it from Team BHP. I came to Aquatint first time on their first or second birthday, and post that I took the test service and I was really thoroughly impressed with the service which I got. And then post that I have been coming here almost.
It's been a long time you've been serving your cars now.
At least 3-4 years, I think.
Yes, sir.
Around that time. So I'm thoroughly impressed with the Aquatint services. See, for me, biggest pain point was the DIY thing. Whenever I used to wash my own car, it was always a 3-4 hour process, and I used to do it wrong actually. Then I got the pro tips that okay, I should tackle my car panel by panel. So that has actually reduced it significantly. Now I don't get tired that easily, and then within an hour or so I can completely wash my car.
So you've reduced the time and efforts required to maintain the car in the right way.
I used to wash it very wrongly, I guess, and it used to leave a lot of watermarks as well. But if you target your car by panels, then you don't have that issue. I have taken the flagship full body PPF for this vehicle. I was a little apprehensive initially because of the cost, but then everybody at Aquatint convinced me that this car definitely deserves that protection. And I have had a issue actually. Small kid was dropping some stone on my bonnet, so I cleaned it up and there were no scratches. So I easily saved 10-12k in that process itself. So for me, full body PPF is recommended one. For me, Aquatint is a go-to car service now. For me, my car visits every month at least once, if not twice, and I have recommended it to my n number of friends. My brother also now visits it very religiously, I'll say. And I have went to many other car services as well. The biggest USP for Aquatint in my case at least is I can just drop my car here and go out as well. If I want to, I can sit in the office. I don't have to monitor my vehicle while the process is going on. That's the biggest USP. In all the other car centers, you have to be a bit vigilant that okay, the guy who's doing the services is not causing any kind of damage to your vehicle while cleaning it up. So that you have to not at all worry in Aquatint. That's the biggest USP for me. I will give full 5 on 5. This is the best service center I have ever visited for car washing. I have been to many other cities as well with their A-line car services as well, but you do find that okay, few nicks and there, they are not 100% of it for. But here, you just have to sit and relax. You don't have to worry about your car.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.